Hi, I'm Nadav Ellenson from Money by Design.
And I'm Aaron Shaktovitz from Alia Money Tips. Nadav and I joined together to found the Oleh Investment Academy because we believe financial education can be accessible to everyone in Israel. It shouldn't be so hard to learn about your options around investing and how to get started. We have spoken to so many different people, so many different Olim, and have gotten a really deep understanding of where people are getting stuck. And we want to give you the tools and the support you need to make more confident financial decisions and help you achieve your goals in Israel. And that is why we came together to start this Oleh Investment Academy, and we're offering our first bootcamp.
We're going to teach you everything that you need to be able to get started, to be able to really understand what you're doing, to understand what underlies your investment decisions now and into the future, and how to make the right decisions and manage your portfolio as things change in your life over the coming decades. We're going to cover a range of topics to enable you to be able to do that. All the detail is on our landing page at olehacademy.com. But really, it breaks down into 4 significant areas. The first one is how to choose your account. You're going to have to do your investment somewhere. How do you choose the brokerage platform that's going to give you the best results in terms of tax, in terms of accounting costs, fees, currency conversion, in terms of automation, being able to automate your investment and not having to think about it. At the end of the day, the difference in costs between the best and one of the non-optimal options can be $250,000 to $500,000 shekels in fees over the next 20 or 30 years. It's crazy when you think about it, and it's really important to make the right decision from the outset. We'll then give you a step-by-step guide. How do you get started and open the account? How do you get the money into there? And then how do you actually make the trade and get your money from cash into an investment? Most people get stuck on these first steps, and so we're going to make it really easy for you with screenshots and a step-by-step guide in order to make it really possible and really easy to manage your own investments. The third area is what's called portfolio allocation, or in other words, how do you decide what you're going to invest in? So we'll teach you how to minimize risk and maximize your returns based on historical research and the science. Think about where you should invest. At the end of the day, the US is 50% of the global economy and Israel is 0.4% of the global economy. But your money's in shekels as opposed to US dollars. And how do you think about those kind of things and decide what kind of investments you should choose for yourself within your account? And we'll teach you how to diversify your investments and smartly spread your risk across thousands of different stocks without any effort, pretty much. And lastly, how to think about risk, how to manage risk for yourself, how to think about what is right for you personally. Understand, is it risky to invest in the stock market? And what does the data and research tell us over the past 100 years?
Yeah. And you can find a lot more detailed information and the entire curriculum on olehacademy.com, where we really go through everything that we're going to cover. I think I want to emphasize that this course is going to be about practical. We are not going to drown you in financial jargon that you cannot understand, you cannot work with. We're going to teach you how to use it. We're going to teach you how to implement, and we're going to make sure that you have practical steps that you can move forward with from day one. As opposed to future courses, which are going to be online, we hope to have a lot of online courses. This one's going to be live and in person, and there's going to be a limited number of spaces. So if you want to join, please sign up, secure your spot. We can't wait to see you there.